Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to open a new desktop on the Windows 11. So first of all, of course, all you need to do, just go and open your PC that contains the Windows 11. If you are a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 for free. You will be able even to run the installation into the background of your PC, and in the meanwhile you can use your PC. Of course, it could be a bit slower, but it's not going to be a big problem. And once the download finished, you will find or you will notified to reboot or to restart your PC. And once you do that, you will find yourself with the Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 if you're having any issues or trouble. But I bet you will stay on Windows 11 because it's a much better and much decent. And as we said, we would like to open a new desktop on the Windows 11. So if you want to do that, you should simply go into your keyboard and type or click at the Windows key and the tab key plus the tab key. As you can see, this opens your desktops here for you. And here you can actually create a new desktop. And once you do that, now you'll have two desktops. If you so if you click at the second desktop, as you can see, it's gonna be free and has nothing on it. And of course, you can switch always by clicking on its Windows tab and go to your first desktop, and you will find everything stays here. And of course, you can do this desktop like for gaming, this one for studying, and other one I don't know for searching or for working or something like that. So you can manage your things. Of course, you can even delete a desktop if you don't want it. You can even create how much you want. So let me just delete those because I don't need them, and that will be it. So thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.